PICC,
Pops,
are you there?
There she is.
Hey!
Hey, Pops.
Yo, Mart!
There you are.
You are in PICC, right?
I'm at PICC. You are at the Ultra.
I'm at the Ultra. Wait, let me
Entertain you.
entertain you.
Okay.
I want you to hear how excited the Ultra people are to see you. Guys, say hello to PICC.
Pre-recorded.
No, that was live.
Pre-recorded.
No.
Renee pressed something. I know it.
No.
Let me hear the PICC.
No, that's Louis Ocampo's sample. Ultra, I think we could do better than that. One more time.
All right.
There you go.
Okay, you win.
I win, okay. No.
She has to always win. That's the deal. Okay.
Especially now. Anyway. Ooh,
How's the
baby.
show going?
Well, you ask them. Guys, how's the show going? I think it's doing pretty well. How's your show going?
I don't have to ask.
Why?
See? I paid them all well.
You know,
Pipay,
what?
you're looking pretty fine, baby.
Oh, honey. Miss me, no?
For 26 years old, she doesn't look pretty. She looks okay for 26, huh?
Okay. See? Now I have proof. He knows I'm 26.
Where's my children? Oh, right there. Hi, sons.
Where are you?
Say hi to Dad, Ram. Hi. You're not here.
Yes, they're here.
No, actually, it's okay. It's Mommy's birthday, and you should be there with Mommy since I can't be because someone moved her show same day as mine. So, sing for me, Pipay.
I changed my mind.
The way you did every single night.
I never did.
Right before the lights went out.
Paano ang puso ko ngayon lumisan ka sa buhay ko kung kailan sumilip
don't go away. We gotta tell them one big good news, right?
Oh, the great news.
That we're getting back together. In concert.
In concert. I got scared there for a while. In concert.
Follow the script, Pops. No, just kidding.
Wala. Wala yung script ko. Sandali.
Pipay, come on, you tell your Ultra first. Tell them the good news.
You're finally gonna see Martin and Pops perform together again in concert. Do you want to see that?
5,000 pesos only.
For the benefit of
Robin and Ram Foundation. Bantay Bata namin. Okay.
Siyempre.
You can tell they're not eating enough and
You know, look at them. They're so malnourished. love it.
malnourished. We gotta fix that up.
Exactly. You know all the dates, dude.
Well, that's right, because it's produced, of course, by my producers here and covered by your producers there.
Over here at
ABS-CBN and
that's
Maxi
right.
Media, Martin and Pops, then and now in concert. This time, it will be sweeter. Now, for all of you out there who are separated from your...
What? From what?
Just know that it's okay to be friends and to be loving each other the
Exactly.
way we do. You know that, Pops, I love you, and I'll always be here for you. You know that.
Thank you so much.
Even if there weren't thousands of people there and thousands of people here watching this, I would say the same words. This is the mother of my children, and at the end of my life, until she finds someone, some prince to sweep her away, I will
Prince.
always be here for you. I love you, Pops. Happy birthday.
Thank you
and
so
Merry
much, Mark.
Christmas. See you in the house that I'm still paying for.
Excuse me, man.
That we're still paying for.
I'm working hard for that, you know.
Love you, babe.
Love you, babe.
Pops Fernandez at the Ultra. Come on.
Martin Rivera, PICC.
Come on, Louie. It's showtime.
I must say that it's been a wonderful 20 years here in show business. Maraming salamat ulit sa inyo. Remember, always keep hoping.